with the bumps.
It's okay. So we made another little turn back to the right to avoid this little guy here. So something that mostly isn't discussed on these radar videos is that radar, just like a flashlight, has resolution that changes like a flashlight as you get closer to the event. So apparently we have some lightning, but there's nothing in front of us that will produce lightning. It's only to the right of us. And so I suspect that's what it was. We got some moderate turbulence. But only those two rain showers right there. One to our left and one further ahead, about 8 miles to the right. Right now we can't see much of anything, but this is still good. This is good heading.
First gear 810, 8,000, deviating left 190 on speed.
So what you might have seen is cloud-to-cloud lightning.
And approach.
Carrier 810, set and maintain 3,000.
3,000, Sierra 810.
All right, radar is looking good on this heading. So now let's define the approach. So we want to activate the leg since he's given us vectors outside of the final approach fix. Activate the leg from Couillet to Sieur. Yes, okay. That draws that line. Let's see where that line is. More importantly, let's see what way we got to go to get to that line. So straight ahead. These are 2,000 meter blocks here of resolution. This resolution is much better.
Cap 1584, Cincinnati approach.
1584, we're about 8 miles.
And a 10-mile range is about all we need today. So that's looking like light rain to me. Here's the 15-mile ring. So the 20-mile range is all we need before we turn. So we'll leave that just like that. And I'm okay with the way that looks. Well, just a few showers, and it turns out some thunderstorms, but
All right, 100, I think the boys are coming in a little
lightning is a little hard to assess when you're in or near the clouds. If it's, you know, a big bright flash of lightning, it's probably cloud to cloud
10 miles south of Lunkin.
and a little hard to adjudicate. But we're good to go here. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off.